All right, guys, today we're going to take a look at one of my daily carries. This is my pocket knife that I carry on a daily basis. Now, this is a 7.7-inch blade knife when it's fully opened. The blade itself is 3.4 inches. You have ABS and TPR in the handle. Very easy to open and close. This has a belt loop on here as well. And of course, you know, this is very, feels really nice in the hand. If you're working in environments where, you know, of course your hands can get wet and things like that, that's where this texture will definitely come in handy. Now, like I said, this is my everyday carry. I usually have this clipped onto my belt or inside of my pocket or something like that. And yeah, I'm a huge fan of this little knife. And I've been using this one probably for over a year and a half, and I've had no problems with it. The blade is very easy to maintain. It's always super sharp. And if for some reason you do need to sharpen the blade, it is very easy to resharpen this blade. So definitely take a look at this little knife, guys. Like I said, I have been a big fan of these for quite a few years. And this specific knife I have been using for over a year and a half. All right, so hopefully this video has been helpful to someone who may be looking for a daily, pocket knife. This could be exactly what you're looking for. All right, I will catch you guys all in the next video.